Shall we now start? Okay, it's going to play.
One. Donald's bowl is empty.
Wow, it's right.
2. Clarabelle is pouring milk.
Wow, you got it right again.
3. Mickey's box is bigger than Donald's.
You want to listen again?
Mickey's box is bigger than Donald's.
Goofy.
Not Goofy? Which one?
This one.
Which one? Can you point the right one? Not Goofy? No. Now listen again. We are at Mickey.
Mickey's box is bigger than Donald's.
Which one? Who have a bigger box?
Donald.
Donald or Mickey?
Donald.
Donald? Can you listen again? Is it right, Chai? It's not right. No. No check. Oh, so whose box bigger on this picture?
Mickey.
Mickey. Okay, so we go to another.
4.
4.
Goofy is breaking an egg.
All right. Very good. You did a good job.